The reason it's easier than soon, I made an account because I got a lot of mistakes on my first account. Yeah, and I changed it to cooking. And I changed the cooking because it's cute, cooking is for me, but I'm not sure that's for me. That's one. I wanna wish that my birthday from December 27, so you can comment on this video happy birthday, and for those whose birthday is on the day of my birthday, happy birthday, and please like and subscribe my video even if it's short, but it has deep words to understand, and it can touch your feelings because I like that when I'm speaking. Example, another time, my dad asked me what should I do and how I like told. And I said that I want to be a YouTuber because, and I said because I do want to catch feelings with others but not interested. You love me, very for them. I am thinking that for that, that's the way. So happy New Year and Christmas. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year because I'm not good in English because I'm still human. I just need to so everybody can understand. So goodbye, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good luck with your New Year and today. Bye.